What? Buddy, why don't you go look at your burbies? Hey, your burbies are back. Noah. Oh my gosh, dude. Hi. What do you need? Hi. Baby, what do you need? What? What? He wants to go chase the burbies, don't you? Oh, really? Are your burbies back? You see your burbies? Your burb friends are back, huh? Your burb friends are back, aren't they? Oh. Okay. Oh, really? Here, let me scooch down. Here, there. See? Come here. Daddy, my bird friend... Dad, my bird friends are back, and I'm just so happy to see them. It's been a while. Huh? Daddy. I got a lost taxi. Really, dude. Are your burb friends back? Yes, they are. That's gross. Well, I hope everyone's having a lovely night. Let me take a look at yours. I know. The burbs are back in town. Right, Willow? I've been conquered. I know. They're sitting on me. Don't you? You just love sitting on me. Huh? Hi. Yep. Starting to cool off a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Sorry. All covered in cat fur. How does that happen? Huh? Why don't you explain that to me? $3.50 per mile for a taxi. Sounds like a lot. $3.50 per mile for a taxi. Does sound like a lot to me.